Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today we are going to discuss about the remaining part of the lesson, that is traveling far and near. In this lesson, we have already discussed about how human started his journey from moving one place to another place on foot, and from foot we gradually developed our transporting system, and from traveling on foot we reached to the airplane. So this is the long journey, this is the gradual development of traveling system. And dear student, we have already discussed about how human learn to tame the animal, and after that we invent wheel. The invention of wheel was the great thing in transporting system, and after that the construction of road. After making after making wheel, there is need of plain surface on which wheel may move easily. So after that, dear student, we find out we invent the new transporting system, that is waterways. And after waterways we invented a lot of vehicle that is run on power, and after that we invent airplanes. So this is the journey from that is started by foot, and now we are reaching to the airplanes. So it's all about the previous class, and now today we are going to start the new topic, that is new adaptations to the transportation technology. New adaptation to the transportation technology. Because as we know, our technology is continuously from roads made of compacted soil and packed material to the tarmac and new reinforced cement, concrete roads. Transportation technology has seen many changes. Yes, student, from roads मेड ऑफ कॉम्पैक्टेड सॉयल, मतलब बेटा स्टार्टिंग में जो हमारी रोड थी वो सॉयल को दबा करके कॉम्पैक्ट करके बनाई गई थी, एंड आफ्टर दैट टू द ट्रैमैक एंड न्यू रेनफोर्स्ड सीमेंट कंक्रीट रोड्स. बेटा आफ्टर दैट वी स्टार्टेड making the road by tramac, that is coal tar coal, you can say damar, and new reinforced cement concrete roads. Transportation technology has seen many changes. You can see here the great change in road system in making the roads by bringing changes in the usage of fuel to mechanical changes in engines. Traveling entered a new era of advancement by bringing changes in the usage of fuel. बेटा फ्यूल के यूजेस में भी चेंज हुआ to मैकेन मैकेनिकल चेंजेस इन इंजन्स, और इंजन में भी मैकेनिकल चेंज हुआ. ट्रैवलिंग एंटर्ड अ न्यू एरा ऑफ एडवांसमेंट. जो ट्रैवलिंग है, हमारी जो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम है बेटा, वो एक नए एरा मतलब होता है बेटा टाइम पीरियड या समय. एक नए युग में जो है एंटर्ड हुआ। एंड नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज बेटा वी our transport system is divided into many parts, mainly land transport, water transport, and air transport. So, first of all, we will discuss about land transport. What is land transport? In land transport, two types of land transport facilities are here: roadways and railways. Roadways and railways we will see in this topic. So first of all, we will see roadways. Roads are arteries of our countries. बेटा जिस तरीके से हमारे बॉडी में ब्लड की सप्लाई के लिए पूरी बॉडी के लिए आर्टरीज होती हैं, धमनी जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक उसी तरीके से जो रोडवेज है बेटा वो हमारे कंट्री के इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में काम करता है। They are essential not only for transportation of goods from one place to another, ये सिर्फ सामान को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह ले जाने का काम नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि ये और क्या करते हैं बेटा, another place but also for the movement of people. We also travel by the roadways. The road The roads in India are divided into four categories. जो इंडिया में बेटा रोड्स हैं वो चार भागों में बटे हुए हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज एक्सप्रेसवे। एक्सप्रेसवे these are high speed for 4 or 6 lane broad roads for the speedy movement of vehicles. Yes student, expressway these are high speed 4 or 6 lane ब्रॉड रोड फॉर स्पीडी मूवमेंट ऑफ व्हीकल्स। ये 4 से 6 लेन के बनते हैं बेटा और इन पे गाड़ियाँ बहुत तेज़ी से दौड़ती हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज नेशनल हाईवेज। दीज रोड्स कनेक्ट ऑल इम्पॉर्टेंट सिटीज, स्टेट कैपिटल्स, इंडस्ट्रियल सिटीज एंड मेजर टूरिस्ट places of our country. So this is called national highway, and one thing is more, national highway is maintained by the central government. Beta next is state highways. State highway where national highway maintained by central government, at that place state highway is maintained by the state government. These roads are the link roads to the national highway. ये बेटा लिंक रोड होते हैं नेशनल हाईवे के लिए। ये जो है अलग अलग जो है सिटीज़ को ये कनेक्ट करते हैं हाईवे से। नेक्स्ट वन इज रूरल एंड अर्बन रोड्स। रूरल एंड अर्बन रोड बेटा ये ऐसे रोड होते हैं जो कि रूरल को अर्बन से और अर्बन को रूरल से कनेक्ट करते हैं। These are the roads that connect the rural and urban areas to their respective district for better mobility. मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर ज़िले को जो है बेटा जोड़ते हैं गाँव से और गाँव को जोड़ते हैं ज़िले से। So it is called the rural and urban roads. So it's all about our today's class. Dear student, we will meet in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.